Our kitchen is just not organized and I don't have enough counter space. It doesn't look neat and clean, but I want to have a makeover on a budget that I think also rental friendly. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. We finally have a dish drying cart that I can roll under the sink, and this will absolutely free up my counter space. So I managed to measure this wrong. I got a pallet whip for 2 ringgit and this solved the problem. My wood filler is dried out, so we're going to use this putty filler and hopefully it will work. Going to put this marble vinyl on this side of the wall and cover the beige tile. I'm going to put this white vinyl wallpaper on this cabinet, and you might be thinking why? Because my current cabinet is white. My cabinet has yellowed over a bit, so I just want everything to look consistent and the same. The vinyl seems a bit off-white, but paired together with a new brushed nickel knobs, I think it looks amazing. Everything fits nicely, but I have wires over here that I don't know what to do with. The marble wallpaper makes everything look cohesive, but I don't think I would do anything to the wire problem now, maybe in the future. For now, I just leave it as it is. I have to replace the missing knob of my stove, but sadly I cannot find it anywhere. For now, I have to fix this cabinet's height to make it level with the sink. I'm reorganizing this shelf. Hopefully I can make some space for some of my appliances so I can free up my counter space. Then everything will look neat and tidy. I'm going to make chalk paint today. It will become paint primer. I'm using blue acrylic, black, and plaster of Paris, and mix them up. It looks ugly now, but don't worry, this is the primer. It will look nice after it's actually being painted on. I learned how to do wood conditioner on YouTube. I don't know if this is the proper way, but I've tried it before and it works for me. It's time to take care of this water damage board. The board is badly damaged from the flood from a burst water pipe we had a couple years ago, so it is time to get it changed. These are the decor items I got from thrift shops. They are lovely, but some of the things I'm going to put in other spaces like living rooms, such as this handmade bookshelf. I used to dislike my kitchen, but now it is bright and airy and beautiful, and the most important thing is it is functional. There are a lot of counter space now. I don't have to push drying dishes out of the way just to make a meal. It is amazing.